Buongiorno and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a quick demo for you on another way to use my magnificent 3-meat Neapolitan red sauce. This is the only jarred sauce on the market with beef, pork, and veal, the way we make it in Italy. So today I'm just making a simple baked pasta, penne al ragù. So here we have the meat sauce, which I've heated. I've cooked my pasta. And now I'm going to toss my pasta with my meat sauce. Very simple. I have my pirofila, as we say in Italian, or casserole, ready to go. I just put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. We toss the pasta, put it in the casserole, and there you have a magnificent dinner with, of course, the king of all cheeses, a little Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Bake it in the oven 15 or 20 minutes. A delicious dinner. Another way to use my meat sauce. The only 3-meat sauce on the market. If you don't like it quite this thick, take my classic red and thin it out a little. But the way we eat it in Italy is nice and thick. Bake that in the pasta. Look at the magnificent dinner you have for your family. Buon appetito e tutti a tavola.